Good morning, life babes. Good morning. Y'all, I'm a little tired. But let me tell y'all what the plan is today. Today it is 11:57. I have a freaking nail appointment because I need to get my y'all. It's been like freaking 3-4 weeks. I don't even know. It's been a long ass time. People been like, "Oh my god, I love your nails." Child, these nails are old, and I need to get them redid. So nail appointment for 11:30. This is the to-do list. So this is everything we're gonna be doing. And now I just have to go wash my face and brush my teeth and get ready for my nail appointment. I love my brows. I'm so glad they thick. Like, y'all, I be hating when, cause my arch be like so high right here, and I hate when they make it my tail thin, cause I don't be liking it. My face is like steady going down. This is like how my normal face look. And then it's just a little one too right here. But my face is getting back symmetrical. You can kind of see like it's still a little puffy. But I'm so glad, y'all. My shit was big as fuck. Like, it's better now. So I'm so happy. You just keep doing that. I'm gonna wait about like another week or so before. Probably I'm gonna wait like 2 more weeks before like I start back doing my things, my normal activities. But I just been doing what I want and trying to recover from my surgery. But trying to not do too much because I really can't lift up on anything heavy or like keeping it down. Cause it even though it's like went down the swelling, it's still like starting to hurt like at nighttime and stuff. And the reason I be wearing like my mask is so like no cold air, cause it'll hurt. But like right here, like at the bottom, like it still hurt. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go wash my face and brush my teeth and get ready for my nail appointment. I'm gonna take y'all with me. I'm gonna get ready and then we're gonna head to the nail shop and resume our activities for the day. So I'll see y'all back in a second. Okay, y'all, we are back. Welcome back. My classic French tip. Get into it. The almond. My girl, my nail tech, she always eat down. Like, love her down, love her down. What? I know we said we had to do a couple of things today. So yeah. We're now going to go to Five Below. So we are going to go to the beauty section. Oh, look at the little shine stuff. We got to stay focused in here. We got to stay focused. Okay, so this was wow. LA girl. Do they have the... Oh, they do have those other correctors. I wanted like the little mix ones. The big one. So I need to find a cuticle clipper. Where might that be? Here? I see the acetone stuff. No. Do I have a cuticle clipper? I don't even see it. Nothing with the off-brand bum bum. That's so funny. Oh, so that might be up here. Okay, these are like pore extractions. The gel. Child, where is the... I don't even see that. Okay. Maybe I can check the end cap. Okay. Okay, beauty boots. Okay, we're gonna see. What is that? I know they used to have like the little beauty little round thing where it has all the stuff on here. So called, what that is? That's acetone professional weather. I might have to try somewhere else for the cuticle clipper. Ciao. This is cute. I should have came in here yesterday and got this. Gel and on gel. I should have got this yesterday. What the fuck? They got everything on here too. I just don't see it. Well, I don't see it in here. So y'all, I don't even see it in here. Like I might have to order it because this is crazy. I don't see it, and I ain't got this thing for nothing. So yeah, we just gonna have to get this from Ulta. So let's go to Ulta. But yeah, okay, y'all, we're back. We are at Walmart. I may get a few clips in. I'm not gonna like vlog really in Walmart because I have to grocery shop and check my list, and it's a lot of things I gotta get. But we're gonna get a couple of clips in, and after I leave here, we're gonna go to the hair store so I can get my wig cap, and then I'm gonna head home so that I can get my packages because I have some packages. So we might get a little haul. I might do a haul today, and I'll upload that for you guys, and then we're gonna cook too. So we might do a haul and a cooking vlog. So yeah, but I'll just show y'all what I got from the store. Cause I need to hurry up and make this quick because it's 2:13 and I'm not trying to be outside at 5 o'clock. So I'll see y'all when I get home, and I'll just show y'all what I got like that. Okay, so we'll check back in a couple of minutes. Back from out the store. Look at all this stuff on the back seat, y'all. And baby, let me tell y'all, I come out the store, baby, all hell done broke loose. They got the ambulance, the fire truck, 3 cars of police. I'm like, what the hell going on? So child, I don't know what happened, but mind my business. So now we about to head to the hair store, and I forgot I had a wax appointment at 4:30. No, my wax appointment was at 3, but no, it wasn't at 3. It was at 4, but she asked me could we do 4:30, so we're going to do 4:30. Wax appointment 4:30, I need to go to the hair store to get a haircut, and then we're going to go home to drop the stuff off and then head to the wax appointment. Because, yeah, time. So, to get over there at 4:30, I need to leave here at 3:30. Yeah. Because y'all know how this traffic be down here in Texas. So I'm going to check back in with y'all in a second. We back. So I'm just right now eating my food. Tell y'all about my day. This is the food I got. It was so good. Now, I did. Oh, wait a minute. I got to pause Maddie. I was actually about to watch Maddie. But yeah, so this is the food I got. I'm not gonna tell y'all the name of the place because I went in there and I just did not like the vibes. Like the girl vibes was just off. So the food is really good. I had to warm back up because I had to run a couple of errands, and I finally back from getting my wax did. So I had to warm my food back up. Look at the edges. They still stayed. That basket ladder edge control, 10 out of 10. Y'all need it. This is at freaking 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock at night. I did that. And I put this edge control. I did my hair like, you can get it like 11 something. Something like that. But y'all, 10 out of 10, baby. 10 out of 10. But anyway, like I said, this food is good. And I like it. I like it. What it's in for. It's very seasoned. It's really good. Now, I do want to show y'all. Did I show y'all what I got from Ulta? I don't know if I showed y'all what I got from Ulta. I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Walmart. I did make a couple of groceries. I ain't gonna put all that in there. But y'all, I found this cute pajama set from freaking Walmart. $13. It was on sale. Like, how cute is that? Cute. I just had to get it because I'm like, oh my god. And then y'all, I had got me I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Ulta. Hold on. Bag. So I got me a cuticle clipper. I needed one of these. I've been looking for one of these. Y'all, look at my nails. Got my nails done too. And I seen Ari posted this on her Snapchat. This Bum Bum scrub. I love the Bum Bum lotion because it smells so good. It's like that vanilla scent. Got that. And then I also I made my first sacred purchase today, y'all. Look at that. Yeah, get into it. We got the repair mask. It's the reconstructing treatment mask. So I got that. Can't wait to use it. They were out of the oil drop, so I gotta find somebody who got them, and I can just try to pick them up. But they was out of them. So there's that. But yeah, like I said, y'all, this food that I got, the food is good, but the vibes was just bad. And I just when you go somewhere for the first time and people be rude, yeah, it don't really give out good customer service or good vibes. So I would not be recommending this to nobody. But I don't even know if I'll ever go back to that place. But yeah, the food is good. I haven't ate all day. This is my first time eating at 9 o'clock. Like, literally haven't had anything all day. So this is my first and last meal of the day. Yeah. So now I'm about to chillax. I'm about to watch Maddie. And I guess I will unwind and chill for the rest of the night. But I hope y'all enjoy this vlog. Make sure y'all turn on your post notifications so y'all can know when I upload. Make sure y'all like my video, comment, and share this video. And go check out my other videos, okay? Like, make sure those post notifications on so y'all can be notified when I upload, okay? And I hope y'all have a great rest of y'all day. And this is the end of the vlog. I'll see y'all next time, life babes. Bye.